Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas spending time with your family. I had a good time, but it was sadly cut short because I had to work the next day. But anyways, I want to film this video because I always film this video. Honestly, I have like 4 of them. I will link them down below if I can find them. A couple of them might be deleted or privated, but I will unprivate them so you guys can see how embarrassing they are. This video is obviously a staple video for YouTube. It's like one of the main videos that made YouTube blow up as a platform. So yeah, you know the deal. We are not bragging. We are just showing you guys what we got for Christmas. They're very popular and it's basically a tradition for most basic white girls. So also I'm 24 and I'm never gonna stop filming these. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. I hope you guys can excuse this extra outfit. This outfit is just so cozy and warm, and yeah, I just wanted to wear it. So first, look at my nails. They are so cute. I just wanted to show you my nails. I put them on for New Year's, and they're the new Impress press-on manicure, but I used the nail glue so it will stay on for, I'm hoping, at least a week. We will see. I have not done nails like this in so long, like years. So yeah, I don't have time to go get my nails done. So this was the next option. Anyways, okay. So if you've been watching my videos, my vlogs during Vlogmas, you would know that I got a new coffee machine and I got the Nespresso machine. I love it so much. It's really fun and I just feel more professional, and it has saved me money from going to Starbucks and getting coffee. Really amazing. I got it for a really nice price. It was on sale for Black Friday and I just decided to pick it up then, and I'm so happy I waited. The next thing that I bought myself are AirPods. This is the Generation 2. I love them. I've been using them for about a week now. This is just what they look like. Just like this. They are the wired one. You just plug in and there's your headphones. I will do a full in-depth review about this soon. I really love these. I use them when I go to the gym. I use them when I'm at work on my break to listen to videos and all that fun stuff. And I'm so happy I finally bought these because I have the new MacBook. I will link it up there if you guys want to watch the unboxing that I unboxed a year ago. It doesn't have all of the outlets for it. You have to buy a certain like dongle or something for it. Dongle, whatever it's called. You have to buy that with all the imports. And for that, you can't use Apple headphones, at least not that I know of. I haven't tried the other imports on it, so I've been using like a $5 headphones from like Walmart, and they hurt my ears so bad. Apple headphones work so well for me. They fit my ears so great, and I'm just happy I can finally edit my videos using these and not have to worry about wires. And especially when I go to the gym, I love to jump rope, so it was really hard with wired headphones, and I had to stick it in my bra and jump rope, and it got really sweaty and it like messed up my phone. So now my speaker doesn't work on it. It's just like, it's a lot. I just saved my life buying these Apple headphones. Okay, so the next thing that I bought myself is this cutting board. This is a small marble cutting board. It's so cute, and I'm going to use it for my cheese boards. I'm so excited to use it for cheese boards. I'm looking into getting a bigger one, but this will do for now. When I go to Trader Joe's, I always pick up at least 2 different cheeses. So this will be really fun to just do my little cheese board on here. And the next thing that I bought myself was this makeup organizer. This is from Target. It's the Sonia Keshik line, and it's so pretty. It is clear. It's the acrylic makeup organizer with gold detailing all around it. It is amazing. It hits everything that I need it to fit, and I really love it. I still have so much space in it, and this is like my everyday makeup basket right now. And yeah, I really love this. My sister recommended this, and I'm so happy she did because I have been looking for one, and I finally found one thanks to her recommendation. And I'm pretty sure it was under $20. I think it was like $16, which is a pretty good deal. So that just sits right there in front of my degree. The last thing that I bought myself was this rose quartz face roller. You guys know the hype about this. Just roll it on your face. Well, you put it in the refrigerator or freezer for a bit and then you roll your face. It's supposed to like reduce the puffiness of your face. My face doesn't really get puffy in the morning, but this feels really nice because it's cold. I really like it. I've been using it for 3 days now. I do it before I go to bed and when I put my moisturizer on, and it's really great. I got this at Walmart for about $9. Okay, now let's get on to what my boyfriend and his family got me. The first thing they got me was this really cute pink long sleeve. Let me lift my... This is what it looks like. It is so cute. This is in a medium and it's really big. I really like it. You can fluff it up to your arms, which I usually like to do. It looks so cute. It's lightweight and it's soft and I just really love it. And I have just been wearing it tucked into my pants. Just really cute. And this is how I am styling it today. Just tucked it in a little bit. They got me is this pretty white shirt and it says all I need in life, and it has like makeup, champagne, coffee, tacos, lipstick, wine, and dogs. So I really love this. It's so cute. And the other sweater that they got me is this really pretty Tiffany blue sweater, and it's so fuzzy. Like, oh my gosh, so cute, so pretty. I cannot wait to wear it. The next thing they got me was this jeweled candle holder, and it is so pretty. It has a little bit of fuzzies on it from my sweater. Also, they got me the Champagne Toast body spray. I love Champagne Toast. This is my all-time favorite candle, and the body spray smells just as good, and I love this so much. I cannot wait to use it all this year. And the next thing they got me is this nail polish ornament, and it is so pretty. It says, "Marry up your mistletoes." Isn't that adorable? Like, what? Because you guys know that I love nail polish. I love doing my nails, and I cannot wait to put this on my Christmas tree next year. Next are the items that I got from my siblings. Item that I got from my younger sister is this really pretty peachy, actually it's more like a French vanilla hoodie. It's so soft. It's from PacSun, and just look at the material on the inside. It's just so soft. My boyfriend got me some Harry Potter jewelry, and this is the Alex and Ani bracelet. It has the quote, "The ones that love us never really leave us," and it's so, and this quote is by Dumbledore, and oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I wanted these bracelets for so long, and I'm so happy that they got. The next one that they got me are the set of earrings, and these are the golden snitch earring, and also Harry Potter earrings. It says HP. That's just what they look like right there. They're so cute. And then the last set of jewelry that I got is the Harry Potter bangle that has his glasses and his lightning bolt, and it's in the gold. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Love it. I love it so much. Yeah, I'm so happy that I finally have Harry Potter jewelry. So cute. I wanted this for a while, and like the Harry Potter packaging, I just want to watch Harry Potter now, although I watched it last night. And then my older sister, she got me the scarf, I believe, and I love it so much. It's really pretty, hanging down. So the next thing she got me was this Starbucks coffee mug with hot cocoa mix. It comes with 2 mini shortbread cookies, and I'm super excited. It's like a hot cocoa mix, and this coffee mug is so pretty. It's green, one of my favorite colors. I love it so much, and you can never go wrong with getting me coffee mugs, especially Starbucks ones. I'm addicted. The next thing she got me was this face cream. It's so cute. It comes in a little panda box, and I cannot wait to use it. And then I also got a pair of socks, which I needed so bad. These are the Canon pack, and I think they go all the way up. They go up to your mid-calf, which is great because I love wearing long socks over my leggings, and yeah. And then I also got a pair of these socks, these really fuzzy zebra socks. They also came with a black pair, but I'm wearing them right now and my feet are so comfy. So thank you for these socks. And then I had a Secret Santa at work, and what I got in my box was a whole bag of Starburst. And then I also got these little skinny scrunchies. They're so cute. And then I got a pair of smart gloves. I cannot wait to use these. Oh, and I also bought myself this oatmeal scrunchie. I bought it off a girl on my Twitter. She has like a scrunchie shop. She makes scrunchies, and this is so cute. It's just an oatmeal plain color, and I wanted to support her small business on the small business day. It was something like that. And it's so cute. It arrived just in time and I love it so much. It's plain and just what I wanted. I don't see this anywhere, and it's just really beautiful. So yeah, so that is everything that I got for Christmas this year. What did you guys get? Let me know what was your favorite items that you got for Christmas this year. I would love to hear about it in the comments. I'm just really thankful I was able to travel and go home and spend time with my family this year. Although it was cut really short, I'm just happy I was able to spend time with them. My vlogs for the 24th and the 25th will be up after this video, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed watching my Vlogmas this year. If you have not seen any of the videos, I will link the playlist down below because I had a lot of fun filming them. So also giveaway winners will be, I will see you next time. Bye.